Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video.
Do you have swollen feet? This powerful tea is the best homemade remedy for this problem. Are you one who usually eats the parsley garnish on your food, or do you usually put it aside, uneaten? Parsley has so many great health benefits that if you knew, you would want to eat more of it. Parsley is used in a wide range of herbal remedies for different illnesses and symptoms. In particular, parsley has been found to be very effective at treating swollen feet. Swelling in the feet is caused by the accumulation of water. This is also known as edema. Pregnancy is a very common cause of edema, especially if you are heavily pregnant during hot or humid months. Keep in mind that edema may be a sign of preeclampsia, so you may want to seek medical advice. Warning: if you're pregnant, do not use this recipe. Consuming excess parsley may cause health complications during pregnancy. Mild cases of edema may result from a sedentary lifestyle, sitting or staying in one position for too long, eating too much processed foods and foods high in salt. PMS. Side effects of medications. Pregnancy. How parsley helps for swollen feet. Parsley is an extremely powerful herb, and it has been used for hundreds of years to reduce swelling and improve energy levels. Parsley is a natural diuretic, which means that it helps the body get rid of excess fluid. It also flushes out excess salt, a common cause of edema. Parsley also supports your kidneys, which are responsible for flushing urine and toxins out of your body. As long as you maintain a healthy water intake and get enough parsley in your diet, your body can flush out water and toxins more quickly and consistently. If water sits in your body for less time, it has less of a chance to build up in your feet. Brewing parsley tea. Brewing your own parsley tea at home is an easy way to get this herb into your diet and minimize swelling. Just follow these easy steps to get started. Aim to drink up to 2 quarts of parsley tea every day.